Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great. And we're going to take a look at Bitcoin, not ordinals. So I'm not sure why that was there. Well, I was looking at it, but we'll talk about Bitcoin. All right, we'll do a full update. Yesterday, we got some bearish momentum. I'm not sure when that was. I mean, yesterday, look, we already had that bearish breakout below 43,200 when I made the video. But what I said is that I expected us to drop down a little bit lower, and I think I even said that I expected us to eventually, not necessarily yesterday, but eventually drop back down to this major support level right here between 41,300 and 40,500. So just wanted to do a quick update. I mean, we received some strong support yesterday evening from that 42,000 level, which was also expected because as you could see right here, there was quite a lot of liquidity at that level, and Bitcoin is basically hunting demand side liquidity right now, or supply side, I think it is. Well, I'm not sure, but it doesn't matter. It's hunting liquidity, and that's creating, like, a lot of people right now are starting to short Bitcoin, which, I mean, I can understand it because, like I said, and I said this yesterday as well, the market structure to me really looks like we're consolidating. Right, so that the top was right here at 44,500, and that right now we're dropping down to the bottom of that range at around 41,000. So you would say a short from this from the breakout here at a resistance would be a good trade. The thing is that fundamentally, personally at least, I'm still very bullish on Bitcoin. And then if you look at the liquidity, there still is liquidity lower, right? So there's still liquidity at 41,500 and at 41,000. It's there, but most of the liquidity right now is building up around that top again. So that in combination with the fundamentals. I mean, look, yesterday I said that we were going to drop down, but honestly, it's really difficult to say right now. And I would even say that, you know, take into account that we're going to have some more bearish momentum. All right, you should always do that. I mean, right now, if you look at, for example, the funding rates market wide are still ridiculously high. All right, so that means that if you're long on the position, you're paying this percentage every funding round in fees. It's quite a lot. All right, so what happens then is people or traders close their long positions, which causes the price to drop down. So that's not ideal. And yeah, like I said, purely technically, we're actually quite bearish on the short term. So that's the bearish side of things, right? So the technicals and the funding rates, and then the open interest is pretty neutral. And then the bullish side of things is that obviously fundamentally, or at least assuming that the ETF will be approved, fundamentally we're bullish. And then there's also a ton of liquidity to the upside. So to me, it's really neutral what's going to happen. But I have to. Because I'm a technical analyst, I have to believe the technicals. So personally, look, we're probably going to test this area right here at around 43,000. So that's a bit of bullish momentum. If we're able to break above that, I mean, then we're just going up to 44,500 again, and then we're probably consolidating up here. All right, so a smaller, a tighter consolidation, a little bit higher. But for now, I still have to say that I think it's more likely that we'll just respect the resistance, maybe find support around 42,000 a couple of times more, but then eventually drop down to this level right here at 41,300 and 40,500. I still think technically that's most likely, even though it's, I mean, personally, I would never short. All right, I would definitely not go short on Bitcoin right now. I don't think that makes sense given the fundamentals, but technically I do think it makes most sense. So those are my thoughts on Bitcoin for today. If you do have any questions, as always, let me know down in the comments. Don't forget to check out in the pinned comment in the description my premium and signal group. Very valuable, but that's up to you. For now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.